From two-headed sharks to three-eyed snakes, these shocking animal mutations from around the world will have your jaw drop to the floor. A piglet with two heads. The video of a pig born with two heads has been viewed over 7 million times after a farmer shared a clip online. Now, polycephaly is the condition documented in which an animal is born with more than one head. Now, the condition is rare, and an animal often does not live long when born with it. Now, the newly born piglet is wrapped in a blanket, and although it has one body, it has 4 eyes, 2 mouths, and 2 snouts. The pig did pass shortly after the video was taken, according to the farmer. It passed of natural causes. I did not put it down. That's what he said. He wanted to make it clear. Little is known about the exact cause of this condition, but it's believed to be caused by either an embryo splitting incompletely or 2 or more embryos kind of fusing together. Although, polycephaly is a rare condition, there have been a few documented cases in pigs, including 1998's Ditto, who lived until 9 months and became somewhat of a piggy celebrity. The three-eyed snake, a juvenile carpet python with 3 eyes actually, was discovered in Australia, specifically on a highway near Darwin. Now, the snake, dubbed Monty Python by wildlife authorities, had a 3rd functioning eye on the top of its head. X-rays revealed it had 1 skull with an extra eye socket, not 2 fused heads together, suggesting, the 3rd eye developed early in its kind of embryonic stage. Now, the snake was struggling to eat due to its deformity and unfortunately passed away a few weeks after being found, according to the BBC News. Now, snake expert Professor Brian Fry said mutations were a natural part of evolution. He said every baby has a mutation of some sort. This one is just particularly coarse and mishappen. Now, I haven't seen a 3rd-eyed snake before, but we have a 2-headed carpet python in our lab. It's just a different kind of mutation like what we see with Siamese twins. He suggested, that the snake's 3rd eye may have been the last little bit of a twin that's been absorbed. The goat with 8 legs. A goat born in Croatia this week had one befuddled farmer questioning his own eyes when he counted 8 legs on the kid. Nicknamed Octogoat, the baby also had both male and female reproductive organs, leading local vets to believe that the newborn's condition was a result of an underdeveloped twin. ITV reported that. Now, I counted his legs and I thought I was seeing things. Then I called my neighbor to make sure that I'm not crazy. That's what the farmer Zoran Paparik told the In-Serbia News that day. He said the goat Sarka gave birth to the kid. Kid is also another name for a baby goat at his farm in the northeast area of Croatia. It's unlikely the goat will survive, the vet said, but he said he would keep the goat as a pet if it was to survive. Two-headed sharks. Two-headed sharks may sound like a figment of the big screen, but they exist, and more are turning up worldwide, scientists say. Now, a few years ago off Florida, fishermen hauled in a bull shark whose uterus contained a 2-headed fetus. In 2008, another fisherman discovered a 2-headed blue shark embryo in the Indian Ocean, and a 2011 study described conjoined twins discovered in blue sharks caught in the Gulf of California and northwestern Mexico. Now, blue sharks have produced the most recorded 2-headed embryos because they carry so many babies, up to like 50 at a time. Now, Spanish researchers have identified an embryo of an Atlantic sawtail cat shark with 2 heads, according to a new study in the Journal of Fish Biology. While raising sharks for human health research in a laboratory, a team noticed the unusual embryo in a see-through shark egg. Now, 2-headed sharks have been few and far between, so it's really tough to know, kind of what's behind the mutations. Polydactyl cats with extra toes. As a self-proclaimed cat lady, I thought I'd share this one with you. Polydactyl cats are born with extra toes on their paws, a rare genetic mutation that makes them look like they have a pair of mittens instead of regular cat feet. While this condition, doesn't actually pose a serious health risk, it does give these cats an interesting appearance. In some cases, polydactylism can occur on both the front and back paws, resulting in a cat with 6 or 7 toes on each foot. Famous for their high number of toes, these cats were beloved by Ernest Hemingway, who kept a large number of polydactyl cats at his home. Which mutation is your favorite? Maybe you love them all, maybe none. Let me know. I'm your host Ashley. I'll see you later.